here. I'm your host, Chris Marks, and welcome to SeaWorld San Antonio. Before I came to San Antonio, I had no idea they had a SeaWorld there. Let's check out what they got. You definitely need to visit the bottlenose dolphins they have here. What playful animals they are. And they definitely have a big appetite. Bottlenose dolphins are some of the most intelligent animals on planet Earth. They live in family groups and are always up for a game or two. Now let's check out some roller coasters. We're about to get on the steel eel, baby. For some people, it's the ascent that's the hardest part. And for me personally, I really love the view from up top. Oh my God!
Yo, here we go.
Woo!
Going down! Once again. Woo!
Bumpy ride, Beer Here fans. When you come to San Antonio SeaWorld, check out the Steel Eel. And here's another great roller coaster to try out. About to try the Wave Breaker. I love how they look like jet skis. Very unique. Here we go. That was fun. If that didn't get your blood pumping, then this certainly will. So I'm about to encounter the most feared predator in the entire ocean, the great white. Well, at least the roller coaster anyway. Let's check it out. Just so you know, your feet will be dangling on this roller coaster on your way up to another gorgeous view. That was crazy. Now let's go check out some animal shows. One of the funniest family-friendly shows you'll find anywhere is the Sea Lion Show at SeaWorld. These amazing animals will entertain the audience in a variety of ways, such as showing off their breakdancing moves and going for a spin, or maybe 3. And then they'll dazzle you with their amazing agility. Man, I really wish I could jump out of the water like that. And to be able to do yoga poses like this, they have to have some serious muscles in those pectoral flippers of theirs. Oh, the life of a seal. All they do is splash in the water, all day. And this one just had to show off. Now, twerking may be a popular dance, but this is ridiculous. And of course, any good performer deserves a curtain call, and these seals are no exception. From one animal show to another, let's check out the beluga whales and some more impressive dolphins, baby. But this beluga whale isn't going to let a dolphin outsplash him, because the beluga whale truly knows how to connect to its audience. And who wouldn't want to have a dance break with a beluga whale? or even go as far as having a splashing competition with one. All joking aside, these amazing animals are top predators in the oceans, and these shows are meant to educate the public as well as entertain them. It is truly important for us all to learn how to take care of our oceans and all the creatures that call them home. Every animal in the ocean is important to help protect the delicate balance in their ecosystems. So let's all do our part to keep our oceans clean so that these incredible animals can continue to live a long and happy life. And now it's time for the real star of SeaWorld to make a big splash. The Orca has been SeaWorld's main mascot since 1965, and their show is truly a main attraction. The sheer size of these apex predators is truly impressive. And what's more impressive than a 20+ foot animal leaping out of the water? And here's a great example of that. Man, I feel so bad for that poor guy. Just an FYI, there's a good chance that you'll get wet at one of these shows, but hey, that's just part of the fun. And when they're not making a big splash, they like to get up close and personal with their audience for something truly unique. Like a dance break where they literally wag their tongue at you. And of course, they always save their best stunts for last. Check this out. At the end of the day, SeaWorld in San Antonio, Texas is truly an amazing place. And when you come to visit all these beautiful animals, always remember to be here.